Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about on how to upload um, photos on TikTok using VC and what you cannot do with photos. So first, take note on the official TikTok website for PC or laptop. You can only directly upload videos, not photo-only posts like on mobile slideshow mode. So if you want to upload photos, you need a simple workaround. So before uploading, you just have to combine your photos into a video slideshow using tools like CapCut, Canva, Windows Photos app. And then you just have to arrange your photos, add transitions, and export it as a video file. And then after that, you just have to open your TikTok website and then log into your account. And then you just have to tap on the upload option. Okay, so tap on the select video option, and then after that you just have to upload it like a normal TikTok video. Okay, so you can add caption, hashtags, cover image, and the privacy settings, and then you just have to proceed. Then after that you just have to tap on the post option, and your photo slideshow will now appear as a TikTok video on your profile. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.